from the rising of the sun, 1 to the 6 setting off the. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The last time we learned Adonai in the G shape using the same key E. Today we want to move on to the A shape. The A shape starts just on the position where we can get the do notes on the third string. So the A shape will actually be here, but since we don't have a couple anywhere here, we just have to use the bar chord. But since we are focusing on using the couple for now, let's use the couple. Since it's an A chord, just like playing a normal A, this part is where the bar is. So if we are going to play the A here, it means that we have to put the couple here. So like we've learned in the past tutorials, playing A, the sixth chord is just like this. That's the E minor that we've moved 2 frets away. 1, 1, 2. So 6, then 5. The 5 is the E chord. That's for A in the A shape. Then 6, then the 3. Sorry. You know the 1 is here, the 2 is here. So we move here. So that's going to be the normal. This is the B minor. The normal. This one will be C sharp minor. So 6, 5, 6, 3, then 5, 4, 5, 6. Again. 6, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. So we sing. Then from the rising, from that, like we did in the other shapes, we start from 4. From the rising on. So the 4 is just the C shape for A. From the rising of the sun, 1 to the 6 setting off, then 5 the same. Go to the 2. Your name is 3, 6, 5, 4. Again. From the right 4 zero the sun. Sorry. To the 6 the same 5 2. Your name is 3 to be 6. Adonai. I'll sing. Your name is to be adored. So it's a bit difficult since it's so close to the neck, the whole body of the guitar. Yeah, but thank you for watching this far, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please leave in the comment section below anything that you want me to clarify, or if you have any suggestions, feel free. We are learning together. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video, share and comment. See you next time. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same,